Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a compatible Yubikey, admin access, and Yubikey Manager installed. Plug the key into a USB port. Windows will detect hardware. Open Yubikey Manager and let it enumerate the device so you can access configuration slots. Once detected, make sure Windows Hello is enabled if you plan to use PIN or biometrics. This links convenience with security. You do this now because it prevents permission errors later and lets you configure OTP, FIDO2, or smart card functionality. You now configure the Yubikey for the authentication methods you need. In Yubikey Manager, choose FIDO2 to register with Microsoft and web accounts, OTP for legacy services, or PIV to enable smart card sign-in to Windows. Follow each service's registration flow, selecting Add Security Key and touching the Yubikey when prompted. Set and confirm a PIN for PIV so Windows can use it for login. This protects the key and ties credentials to you. Make sure to save any recovery or PUK info offline. You finish by testing sign-in flows. Lock the PC and authenticate using the Yubikey via FIDO2 or smart card PIN. Confirm that web logins prompt for the security key and that touch confirms presence. Once done, register a second backup key or another factor so you aren't locked out if the primary key is lost. If something goes wrong, run Yubikey Manager diagnostics, check Windows Device Manager for driver issues, and reinstall Yubikey software. This fixes common detection or credential enrollment problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.